Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOC new Essential E4 monitor series. So friends, the AOC proudly announced its new Essential E4 series, a comprehensive lineup for business-focused B2B monitor featuring TCO Certified and Generation 10 authentication and unpredicted 5-year warranty across all models in the series and ranging from 24-inch to 34-inch ultra-wide display with a resolution from Full HD to up to 4K, and the series combined cutting-edge performance with industry-leading sustainability credentials. So friends, all models feature integrated USB hub with up to 4 into USB-A, and by selected model offer Type-C connectivity, NDP Alt mode, and 90-watt power delivery, and daisy chain compatibility through DisplayPort-out port and multi-stream transport and KVM switch. Even 5 megapixel webcam, and AOC is demonstrating its commitment to modern workspace productivity and environmental responsibility at the same time. So friend, the first model is 24E4U, is a 23.8-inch IPS monitor with a resolution of Full HD and a refresh rate of 120 Hz and brightness of 300 nits. And the second model is 27E4U, is a 27-inch and same display panel and same resolution and refresh rate. And third is 27-inch Q27E4U model, is a IPS with a QHD resolution and 120 Hz and 350 nits of brightness. And last model is X24E4U, is a 24-inch model with an IPS panel but WX resolution and 100 Hz refresh rate and 300 nits of peak brightness. So friend, the all monitor feature highly adjustable stand with 150 height adjustable from 24 to 27-inch model, and the while 34-inch ultra-wide models offer 180 height adjustable and 100 into 100 VESA mount capabilities, providing additional workspace flexibility. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.